Hi students, let us continue with the binary search tree. So in the previous video I explained about what is the binary search tree and what is the property of the binary search tree and the example, a simple example for binary search tree. So now let us see the travels, that is the walk of the nodes in binary search tree. Let me explain the traversal, or else you call it as a walk. Just you are moving from one node to another node, that is you call it as a traversal. Traversal or a walk of the nodes in binary search tree. BST means binary search tree. So here the traversal means visiting all the nodes in a graph. Traversal is nothing but visiting all the nodes in graph. Okay, so whatever the graph, that is a graph is just a connected nodes with vertices and edges. So a traversal means visiting all the nodes in the graph. You have to visit all the nodes in the graph. So there are three traversal strategies that are present in BST. Three traversal strategies. So the three traversal strategies are pre-order, in-order and post-order. So these are the three traversal strategies. Let us see one by one what is a pre-order. So first let me explain in-order. In order. So in order means the traversal means we are visiting the nodes from first left subtree, next root node and next right subtree. Okay, so the in order condition is first we have to visit the left subtree, after that the root node, after that the right subtree. So that can be represented like, suppose if 1, 2, so first it has to visit the left subtree, after that root node, after that right subtree. So this is how the in-order traversal will go. Means the walk has visiting all the nodes in the graph by using the techniques. So we are visiting the nodes in the graph with the help of three techniques: pre-order, in-order and post-order. In-order means first you have to visit the left subtree, after that root node, after that right subtree. Now coming to the next. So next is pre-order. Pre-order means before. So the pre-order is first you have to visit the root node, after that left subtree, after that right subtree. So these are the technique you have to follow, the technique. So first it visit the root node. Root node means here the one is root node, after that left subtree, after that it goes to right subtree. So this is the condition. First visit the root node, after that left and then right. Now coming to the third one. So what is the third one? The third one is the post order. The third one is post order. Post order means first visit the left subtree, after that right subtree, after that root node. So first left, after that right, after that root. So these are the three techniques that a binary search tree can traverse. Either it can travel by visiting all the nodes in the graph, in the tree, by using pre-order, in-order or post-order. Okay, so let me explain with examples. So in the next video I'll take each the pre-order with example and the algorithm. Thank you.